to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very creamy and delicious pecan horchata that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have my pecans here. They are raw. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. I'm going to add my pecans to the tray, the baking tray. They're going to go in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until I could really smell the aroma of the pecans. Here I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I am making my simple syrup. When you make your simple syrup, you end up using less sugar. You have control of how much sugar you add to your amazing horchatas. Put it aside and let it come to room temperature. And now I am ready to make this amazing pecan horchata. I have 1 cup of rice, 1 cinnamon stick, and of course, I make the horchata very traditional, so I added the water to the rice and the cinnamon stick last night. So it would resting during the night, and the water is really infused with the cinnamon and the rice. And of course, when you hydrate it, just like this, leaving it overnight, the rice gets nice and hydrated, the cinnamon even puffs up and really infuses the rice and the water. So when you do it like this is a very traditional way of doing it. Your horchata is going to come out so creamy and so delicious. And here I'm adding everything to my blender cup. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of just regular water. I am going to blend really good for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that everything is nice and blended. Remember, I am using only water, but when you put it through a sifter, you're going to see the amazing transformation when you leave it overnight soaking. I'm going to put it through a sifter. This is exactly what you don't want in your horchata. You don't want this extra pulp of the rice or the cinnamon. Of course, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to add it into my garden soil. So here, this is exactly what you don't want in your horchata. And now let me show you the texture of the liquid of the rice. It's really creamy. You could see the specks of the cinnamon. And here I have 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. And with this little gadget, there's no need to struggle with the can. I just press it, release it, and it is ready to open. Look at this. This little gadget, I got it at Amazon. It's making my life easier. Look at this. I'm going to add 1 whole can of condensed milk. Of course, not leaving anything behind. 1 can of evaporated milk. I am going to add 2 cups of regular milk. 1 splash or half a cup of the simple syrup. And now I am going to add the extract, the pecan extract into this mixture. This is really going to make such an amazing flavor. So I'm just going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. You could really see the little specks of the cinnamon. My mouth is watering. And here I'm taking out the pecans from the oven. They came to room temperature. And now I am ready to just have these roasted pecans into this small little plate, and then we are going to blend away. When you wake up, those flavors of the pecan in the oven, the horchata really comes out so delicious. If you love pecans like I do, you're going to love this horchata. I'm adding some of the liquid into my blender cup, and now I am going to add the roasted pecans. I'm going to reserve just a little bit for the decoration of my glass and my pitcher. And now let me cover it and let me blend away for about 2 to 3 minutes. You could really see those specks is going to get nice and thick, nice and creamy, just perfect. Remember, this is a easy, delicious, amazing, refreshing pecan horchata. You're going to love it. And here, there's no need to sift it anymore. No need to put it through a strainer. Just add it directly to the rest of the milks. Look at this. I wish you guys were here to smell that amazing aroma of roasted pecans in this amazing horchata. Okay, this is ready. I am ready to pour this into my pitcher. And of course, to the pitcher, I'm not going to add any ice. I'm just adding it as is. But on my glass, I am going to add some roasted pecans. And of course, be very generous with the ice. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. Your mouth is watering. Like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to enjoy it. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this pecan horchata. I hope you may make it and I hope you enjoy it with your beautiful family. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor of the pecan, so intense and so delicious. Nice and creamy. I am telling you, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing pecan horchata. You're going to love it. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing pecan horchata made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.